Hi, it's Matt here from Go Green Autos, and this is just a quick video to show you how to change the daytime running lights in a Nissan E-NV200. So while I've got the van here up on the single post lift there, you don't actually need to get it up in the air. You can do this just laying on the ground, so a job you can do at home. So what you've got to do is get behind, obviously, the daytime running light. So to do that, there are 3 Phillips screws to take out there, and we're just removing the inner wheel arch liner here from the lower part of the plastic bumper. And then there's one of these trim clips, sort of like a plastic rivet, that you remove there. And then once you've got them off, you can then lift the corner of the bumper out, and then it's a bit difficult for me to do this one-handed because I really need the other hand that I'm holding the camera, but you basically then pop the inner wheel arch liner out from along here and along there, which then gives you access to get your hand up there. So this is all you got to do, is just get that bottom part of the wheel arch liner away from the bumper and just along here, only to there. But with that down, you can then get your hand up in there. Let me just shine the torch in there so you can see. I'm not sure whether, I can't quite get the camera at the right angle, but you can see the cable there going to the back of the daytime running light, and you can see where the bulb housing is there. So you just squeeze the top and bottom of the connector, the bulb, and that will then come out of the daytime running light housing. Right, strange one on this, because I was trying to pull the bulb out. This van is actually running. I'm doing this live just because I've also got the radio security code. I'm waiting for that to time out, so I need that running for an hour before I can put in the correct radio code. So I've left it live, and yeah, the daytime running light started working on there just by wobbling that connector, so I need to look at that. But anyway, that side doesn't need a bulb, however this side probably does. So the bulbs you need for these, they are, there it is, they are called a PS19W. This case is a Phillips, and what they are a bulb with the housing. So when you're taking this out, you just squeeze top and bottom and pull it out of the back of the daytime running light there. One thing you might want to consider is replacing these with an LED bulb, because these don't last particularly long, because they're obviously on all the time the van is running, and they are quite yellow, so a whiter LED would look better. But there we go, that's it. I hope this video's helped. If it has, please do click that thumbs up on YouTube, and do subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you on the next video. And I forgot to say, obviously putting it back together is the reverse. You've got to get this wheel arch liner back behind the bumper. Don't put too much force pulling this bumper out. You're better off sort of twisting the wheel arch liner. That is more flexible. You don't want to split that joint up there. And this lower part is very flexible anyway, so that's fairly easy to pop in. But you can pull the lower part of the bumper out, but don't split it here.